So my name is Luana Gonsalves. I am a web design and development student at Full Sail University. So I'm kind of doing this video very impromptu. I didn't script anything because of the whole concept of the world. We're going to probably do a lot of meetings online through Skype, through like Google Hangouts. So everything is always going to be impromptu anyway. So here we go. One of the questions was, what was something you learned about your industry that you did not know before the start of class? So one of the things, well, two things that I learned was UI design and as well as UX design or designers. I never heard of those two terms before I started this class, but it's really relevant with my degree program. Beforehand, I just thought it was just web design. You design on Photoshop or whatever software you use to create your designs, and then you go on Dreamweaver or you go on a coding software, and then you code, you program, and you make your designs work online. So UX and UI designers are more specific in a sense where, you know, they really dedicate on the whole idea of creating designs tailored to the user's experience. It's all about the user. It's not just to make a website pretty and make it work. It's like how will the user respond and how will they like, you know, the design, or how they will interact. Did this course help you confirm your decision to pursue your degree? Yes, it really did. The overview of the media design and technology industries, ODT, really solidified my whole perspective that I want to do this. Especially learning that it's a career that's always going to be changing. I'm not going to just learn these things within this program and that's it and I'm set for life. I'm always going to have to be learning and incorporating new technologies, and it makes the career exciting. I will never be bored. So yes, it really did solidify my passion for web design and development. What is one assignment that you really thought was helpful or that you really learned something useful? Well, there were two assignments that I really liked. One of them was the industry growth one, where you really had to research where your career is going to be in the next 5 to 10 to 15 and even 25 years. And I thought that was really important because, you know, it really opened up your mind. You had to really think of what's going to come up in the next 25 years. You had to research what everyone's talking about, and it really just opened up my mind to how design is changing, even right now, how it's changing and what I'm going to need to learn to catch on. And another assignment I really liked was the networking plan, because, you know, you think about networking, oh, I need a network, but when you develop a plan, it's a lot clearer what you need to do to get connected with who, especially if we're not all, this is like more of an online program. So it's important to create a networking plan to see what your options are, not only online, but even in your community, who you can meet, who you can connect with, and to get your foot in the door. What is one thing would you add to this course? One thing I think it'd be interesting to make as an assignment is to actually contact somebody in your industry and write a little, you know, do a little interview with them. It's one thing to say that we're going to do an interview with somebody in our industry, but it's another thing to make it an assignment and kind of make us do it. So I think that would be an interesting thing. Of course, there's time constraints. Everyone's busy, and that probably would be really hard to do within 4 weeks to get an interview with somebody in your industry. What is something you did not find useful or would remove from the course? Nothing, really. Not just because I want extra brownie points or anything like that, but I really enjoyed the course. I think everything that I learned in ODT has really, opened my mind, and I thought it was an excellent course for me to learn about my industry as well as other industries that I'll be collaborating with in the future. To conclude, nothing. It was a perfect course. So I hope everyone enjoys this video. I probably talked really fast. Awesome. Peace.